सेफ शॉप, डायरेक्ट दिल से।
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I hope all of you are staying safe and well at home. Today, I welcome you all to the first ever Safe Shop's virtual business marketing plan launch. This is going to be one of the biggest plans that is going to be launched by Safe Shop in India. It's now time for the big moment you all have been waiting for. So तैयार हो जाइए Safe Shop के नए और भी बड़े और भी बेहतर बिजनेस प्लान के लिए। Presenting the new Zyada Happiness Wala Plan 2020. As you like. 10 income streams. Now you can earn as much as you like with 10 different streams of income. Achieve unparalleled targets as per your efforts. You heard it right. Depending on your efforts and business skills, you can achieve unparalleled and unheard of targets. Retail compensation. Buy at wholesale, sell at retail. Retail compensation, where you purchase at wholesale special SSP or Safe Shop selling price and sell at retail price to earn great profits. Preferred customer compensation. Earn more as your team grows. So as your team grows, you introduce new direct sellers into your team. You earn preferred customer compensation when they buy Safe Shop products for reselling or self-consumption. More direct sellers, more sales, more business volume. As the number of direct sellers in your group grows, there is more effort and more business volume in your team by selling products. Team business compensation. Earn up to 2 lakhs weekly in each vertical. Well, this makes you an executive and qualified to earn team business compensation up to 2 lakh rupees per week in each blue, amber and purple verticals. Team retail selling or self-consumption compensation. Earn up to 2 lakhs weekly in each vertical. While grow bigger and earn team retail selling or self-consumption compensation of up to 2 lakhs per week in each blue, amber and purple verticals as your team grows on a weekly basis. Balanced BV will carry forward. This depends on the matching or pairing of both the teams. Well, not to worry, your balanced business volume will be carried forward to the next week. Earn up to 12 lakhs weekly. Well, yes, you heard that right. You can earn up to 12 lakh rupees approximately per week on one business center from team business compensation and team retail selling or self-consumption compensation, which is totally dependent on your and your team's hard work and business volume generated by the products you sell. Booster benefit every 3rd, 6th, 9th sale. Earn booster benefits as well on every 3rd, 6th and 9th directly sponsored DS product sale having retail order business volume of 200 BV and above. Earn up to 12 lakhs weekly. Well, yes, you can earn up to 12 lakhs weekly. Bonus is extra. Now, isn't that exciting? New ranks every time. Volume of repurchase of both your teams will lead you to new ranks every time. Work more, earn more. As and when you reach new levels, you will be entitled for the awards on that level. So the idea is simple, work more to earn more. Travel and car endowment. Rank 2nd to rank 10th will be entitled for the travel and car endowment. Resell for 5 months, get the 6th month free. Well, resell continuously for 5 months and get the 6th month totally free of average of the last 5 months. Achievers Corpus Payout. Receive undistributed ELS income or rank level income as Achievers Corpus Payout for ACP compensation. Quarterly overseas travel. So what's more is that we have exciting quarterly overseas travel rewards to keep your spirits high. And now moving on to the plan highlights. Get paid for each effort. Work more, earn more. Help others for stable income. BV carry forward to next week. Spillover benefit. Highest capping income. Travel overseas. Booster benefit. Shop more, save more. True success for any business is supported by well-managed logistics. Now we shall take you on a detailed tour of our entire order placement to dispatch process to ensure timely deliveries without any delays. Now we shall leave you with a few motivational lines that reflect upon Safe Shop's beautiful journey and the promise of a brighter future ahead.
घुमा फिरा के नहीं, सीधी बात सबसे कहते हैं। मेहनत और लगन से अपने सपने साकार करते हैं। गिर के उठते हैं, उठ के चलते हैं। हार से नहीं, हम हार मानने से डरते हैं। संघर्ष से ही तो पत्थर हीरे बनते हैं। हम जो भी करते हैं डायरेक्ट दिल से करते हैं। कंधे से कंधा, कदम से कदम मिलाएंगे। अकेले अकेले नहीं, हम सब साथ आगे जाएंगे। लोग चाहे जो कहें, हम तो बस मुस्कुराएंगे। खाली हाथ आए थे, प्यार लेके जाएंगे। हम बस इतना ही करते हैं। हम जो भी करते हैं डायरेक्ट दिल से करते हैं।